How to create seamless pattern in Gimp. First, we need to create our canvas. So go here on File, go on New and create a new canvas. Let's say 5000 by 5000 pixels. Click OK. Click OK again. So this is our canvas, but I wish to make this canvas to be white. So click here and choose a white color. OK. Click here on bucket fill and click here again. And now it will paint it white. Now we need to create another canvas, but this time much smaller. Again, click here on File, New, and this time it will be 500 by 500 pixels. And click here on OK. And again, I will make it white. So now I need to go here on Image, and I need to go here on Guides, and then click here New Guide by Percentage. And then here choose 50%, click OK. Again, go on Image, go on Guides, New Guide by Percentage, but this time I will choose Vertical. Again, 50%. So now I divided this canvas in 4 equal parts. So now I need to add my pattern. So go here on File and then click here Open as a layer and find the pattern that you wish to add. So let me just find that pattern. Okay, this is the art that I wish to use. Click on it, click Open. And now it opened this image. Now as you can see it is too big, so I need to scale this. Try to keep it on center, okay? And this is actually really big, so this may take a few moves to actually resize this canvas, to resize this art. And okay, and like I said, try to make it in center. Click here on Scale, okay? So now we need to duplicate this layer. So simply right click on this layer and then click here on Duplicate this layer. Now go on Layer and then go here on Layer to Image Size. And then go here on Layer again and then go here on Transform and then go here on Offset. Okay, and here you can see there are few options. When I click here by width, okay, here you can see it added horizontally. When I click here on Reset and when I click here by height, as you can see it added here. Let me just reset this again and I will click here both by width and height. When I click here, here you can see it added this pattern. Click here on OK. So now I need to actually hide my background layer and then right click here, Edit, and then click here, Copy Visible. And now here you can see it added this image in Clipboard. So now I need to go back here on my original canvas and now I need to create a new transparent layer. And now I need to click here on Bucket Fill tool. And then you need to click here on Pattern Fill. And here you need to click here and you need to choose a pattern that you just created from Clipboard. Okay? And now just click here and give it a few seconds. As you can see, it created seamless pattern. So let's say, for example, that you wish to make a bit different pattern. So I need to go back here. So I need to delete this layer here. So simply delete layer. And now I need to add another transparent layer, okay? And I will go here on File and Open as a layer and find another art that I actually downloaded. So let me just find that art. Okay, this is the art. Click here on Open and I need to scale this image again. And also, so like I said, try to keep it on center, okay? And it will take a few moves to scale this image. Okay, so I try to make it about the same size and I will move that here. Click here on Scale and I will duplicate this, okay? Click here on Duplicate Layer and I'm going to move that here, okay? Click here on Scale and I created this pattern. And again, same thing, right click here, Edit, click here on Copy Visible. And now here you can see it added this image here, this pattern here in the clipboard. So I need to go back here and let me just delete this layer here, delete layer, and I will create a new transparent layer. And again, click here on bucket fill, click here on pattern fill, click here to choose the right pattern from the clipboard, and simply click here and give it a few seconds. As you can see, it added a new different seamless pattern. So this is how you create a seamless pattern in Gimp.